Okay, this is a pre-install tutorial to show you how simple this LED kit really is. Um, Basically, they're just two main harnesses. This is the main harness right here. Red to battery, red to positive on the battery, black to negative. And believe it or not, it has an on-off switch. You can shut the whole darn thing off. This just doesn't hook up to anything. That's not a female lead. That's just an assembly hole. But this basically, you could tie wrap this to any place on the bike, on the bottom of the seat or along the side frame rail. But after that's hooked up, oh, by the way, it's fused right there. The only thing you have to do after that is just hook up this female plug into the secondary harness, which is a joke. The secondary harness has a matching plug, female plug, that goes into there. Once that's installed, you just take this end plug and you could either run it to a splitter if you want to use two of what I'm about to show you, or if you just want to use one multi-pigtail harness. This comes with 6 pigtails to hook up to the actual LED strips. Now if you want more room, or you want to hook up another set, then you use your splitter over here and then hook up another set of 6. And that's it. I mean, it just goes right to the LED lights, these waterproof connections, and you're done. Oh, by the way, this little box, they say if you put it next to a speaker or somewhere near a speaker within 2 feet, they say that the vibrations from the speaker will activate the music mode, which is on the control. There's a little music insignia right there on the top, and this way it'll respond to the vibrations of the speaker, believe it or not. Otherwise, you can use any of these colors if you don't choose to use that, or W right here, which is white, pulse, flash, and this up here is the intensity of the light. Very simple. Can't wait to put it in.